Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me so you guys can get to know me a little better, as this is my James Charles casting call entry video. So if you guys are curious on how I went from this to this, go ahead and just keep watching. I can fly. So I'm starting off this look with my brows already on and ready to go because I feel like I cannot talk while doing my brows. So I'm going to be doing my eyes a little bit different than I did in the original look. That's just the beauty of being in the creative space, is you get to look back at your previous work, especially if you take photos of every single previous work that you do and improve on them. So you guys might be wondering how a rainbow cloud makeup look is a get ready with me, like I'm going to wear this to Target or something, which definitely could. So I'm getting ready to take photos of my work because that's what I do with all my looks. So we're back with some acceptable but definitely not even wings, but we're just gonna ignore that. I started makeup back in high school. I was browsing the web for some homecoming makeup ideas and stumbled across the beauty community, all the tutorials that were around the time in 2013, 2014, and I just fell in love with the way that tutorials are so educational and teach you so many techniques from different people around the globe, and it just had me hooked immediately. I began building up my makeup collection when I could, and now we're here. I've always had a special place in my heart for makeup tutorials because that's how I learned everything that I know. I was always a really quiet person growing up. I was that kid who would never raise their hand in class, skip out on presentations, and lose the grade for it because I was so scared to talk in front of people. Makeup is something that's allowed me to be loud and expressive without using my voice, but instead my face as a canvas, which has been such a cool realization for me. And I feel like through being on social media and getting to interact with so many people, although it's not in person, it's really allowed me to come out of my shell and be a little bit more outgoing. If I didn't find this, I wouldn't be in this place of confidence. So there's of course a lot of challenges and obstacles in growing social media, but one of my obstacles is that aside from doing makeup and posting my looks, I am a full-time student by day. So there's a lot of times where I'm balancing out creating makeup looks so I have something to post for my viewers, but I'm also balancing the workload of thesis projects and papers and presentations for class. I've learned a lot about time management, organization skills. That being said, I am graduating in December with my bachelor's in graphic design, and that's something that's really helped me during my time on social media. I've been able to create my own YouTube banner, YouTube intro, special editing effects for my videos, all that good jazz. I'm of course going to be using the James Charles palette for the bulk of this look, as that's what I used in the original, and anytime I do a really colorful look, this is the palette I love to reach for. I'm someone who experiments with all different types of makeup. If you check out my Instagram page, I have done literally a little bit of everything. I've done glam, transformations, editorial, illusion, body paint, special effects. I love taking on new challenges and learning different techniques and types of makeup. With all I've been able to achieve, which I am so grateful for, I feel like this is just my last ditch effort because I am graduating and I'm kind of like at a crossroads. Like, do I push full force with my degree, get a real job, and just forget how far I've come, or just continue with this makeup online thing and see where it takes me, which is such a scary thing because it's so like unknown and unpredictable and no one knows like what's gonna happen. It's not just like a normal 9-to-5 job. I feel like I have all the tools in my belt. I just feel like I need guidance on where to go next, and that's why this show that James is proposing is such an awesome opportunity, and I feel like this came at such a time where I need it most. Around this time last year, I did this look for my sister Sunday Takeover that James let me be a part of, and I would love to one day be in those same shoes, that same impact of being able to shout someone out and giving them lift into the creative space and help them to be seen. If I don't get selected, I totally get it. There are so many creative, talented people out here in this world. I'm ready to grasp all the knowledge that you have for me and prove myself with everything that I've learned so far. Go hard in the comments, share, like this video if you want to see me on James's show. I really need your guys' help. They really want to know who people want to see on the show, so it is all up to you guys. And that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.